So this time, in between rain showers and howling winds and plague and pestilence, I had a small opportunity to get out with the Antigravity A1, and I thought I would do a quick range test. So I'm in the UK, in case you don't know. So I went down to the local park and I put the drone up into the air, and this is what happened. So at the moment I am at a height of around about 70 meters, and I'm just coming up to 100 meters away. I've got a full signal, got 24 satellites, and as you can see that I'm getting wind warnings coming up. The drone is at a bit of an angle, but I kept going and I've still got a full signal, and it was my intention to get to 500 meters, which in the UK is the legal limit, and I always keep to the legal limit. And so I just kept going, still full signal, 25 satellites now. And coming up to 350 meters away, still a full signal, and I was so enjoying the flight. I was having a good look around, and this is where I was flying from. That's the village where I live in the background there. As you can see, we're pretty much surrounded by water, and I kept going, 480, coming up to 500, still a full signal, a little bit of a blip there, still 25 satellites, still a full signal. And as I say, I was so enjoying the flight, I actually forgot what I was doing, and I kept going, and decided that I should actually turn around now. So I got to 571 meters, 25 satellites, HD signal going up and down a little bit, but the remote control signal was absolutely solid, and started flying back. So I was happy with that, and I know there was no obstacles in the way. So the next test will be to fly around something down in the marina, probably one of the big boats down there, and have another go and see what kind of results I'll get from that. But that was my small window of opportunity to go out and fly. I haven't had one since. I hope that helps in some way, and I'll see you in the next one.